I am not seller at all. I am not marketer at all. I am not going to sell anything. I am not going to offer anything. I am not going to negotiate for persuading, for convincing anybody. I am a listener. I will talk about it. I am a helper. I am a solver. When you are in a sales meeting, never use these words. I want to offer you. I want to sell you. Do you want to buy it? These are all in the modern sales and marketing method. All of them have negative energy. I'm here to help you. I'm here to solve your challenge. I'm here to help you to find your pain points and solve them together. Also listen. I am practicing listening over 10 years, and I think at least 20 or 30 years time I need more to be a listener. It is what a salesperson needs to do. When we are in a sales meeting, when we are in a marketing, when we are talking, at least 80% of our time we should listen. Less than 20% I should talk. Listen something like this, or maybe I say, wow, amazing, interesting, okay, what more? May I know, for example, this part, this is active listening, okay? What is after active listening? Asking good and open questions. We will talk about it later, okay? First, listening and listening and listening. This is the mindset when we are going to sell. Then we are not going to sell anything, we are not going to offer anything, we are not going to present the old-fashioned school sales. Just they wanted to convince you by presenting, by talking. Maybe you remember. Now, nobody would like to buy from the people who wants to put pressure. The people who are interested find me, or maybe I find them. I am generating the lead. When this lead matches with my situation, product, or solution, for example, the budget, for example, their taste, for example, their situation, for example, their decision making, everything. Now the lead is matched with me. It means that one step to closing a deal. It's prospect. Okay? Now the prospect, I'm in the sales meeting, I'm listening and listening and listening. I'm asking good and open questions. What are the good questions? What are the open questions? Open questions are one kind of questions which my prospect cannot say yes or no. My prospect should explain. For example, may I know what are advantages of your products with your competitors? My prospect cannot say yes or no, should explain. Okay? May I know what motivates you to attend in this session and also listen to my presentation? May I know what are your main challenge, which is as a pain point for you and you are suffering? He or she needs to speak. How could I find these leads? How could I generate these leads? I need a magnet to attract, to absorb all of them through different ways and lead them to the funnel and sales, what we are looking for, what we are, and all of the salespeople, all of the businesses in all over the world are looking for. Now in today, if I want to go through the mass media advertisement like television, like radio, like newspaper, it is local, it is expensive, low efficiency, doesn't work. The best one are social media. And also, if we want to talk about the local, could be network, events, and other things. When I'm talking about the social media, SEO of Google also could work. I would like to hear your opinion. What do you think about this part? Just because I don't want to just speak, I would like to hear you also. Please share your experiences about this part. Lead generation through magnet.
I used to work with sales and marketing teams actually.
Okay. I'm going to directly sell to the consumers. Am I looking for some agents? Yes, exactly. And what about the social media? If you are looking for B2C, maybe Instagram. And also one thing, TikTok. Have you ever thought about TikTok? TikTok is working today very good. It's growing. Maybe 5 years ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, just was for dancing. Yeah, very fun. But now, no. Maybe you see, for example, one product journey in the TikTok in 30 seconds, in 45 seconds, and it's done. It's getting branded through TikTok.
It's for a younger audience.
Exactly.
I mean, it's not like I'm almost like
Exactly.
45.
Social media is really great. A good website, investing on the SEO, and also beside that social media, you said mentioned it very good. Yes, only content creation. I should pay for it, for my time, for my colleagues' time. But it doesn't mean thousands of euros. It's only my creative and innovative brain, and also it's
But
what
if it's done wrongly, it can hurt the company's image as well. So it's a serious work.
exactly.
I mean, I would be against just like sharing for sharing.
Mhm.
There should be a strategy and like a lot of work.
Exactly, strategy is very important, yes. And also, if I advertise, nobody look at it. We should talk about it. I should give something and ask something later. I should teach, I should share, for example, educational, entertainment, many things. I, for example, share TikTok with you. I should share something with the others, give for free to the others, for example, training, educational, many things.